So we do have an automotive repair shop here, and we have 2 vehicle lifts and every tool we need to fix cars. It's like a professional shop. You could actually run a business out of our shop. Today my students were rebuilding GMC engines. The goal is to get them to understand how the mechanical parts in the engine work so they have a hands-on understanding of what they're doing. I'm really proud of our auto tech program here at Eastside, and we do open up our doors to every high school in the district. So some of the students that we had here today were from Anderson High School, and we open up our doors to every high school in AISD. Our classes are articulated with ACC, so it is a dual credit program once they get into Auto Tech 1. The most rewarding part about it is that I enjoy watching students grow from not knowing anything about cars to a point where they can act as a mechanic.